Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can unmute notes on Instagram. So let's say you muted notes for an account that you are following on Instagram, but now you want to unmute them and see their notes again. So this is what you have to do right here. If after you open your Instagram app, go to this icon with the profile picture and then hit the three lines at the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have a bunch of options that we can choose from. And as you can see right here, we have this option right here, muted, and we're going to click on that. So basically, as you can see, I don't have any accounts that I have muted, but if you muted the notes for an account, you will see that account right here. So what you'll have to do is press on that account and just hit unmute, and you will have this the option to toggle off the notes, so to unmute practically the notes for that account. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.